Okay, folks, luggage. Luggage is a weird one for us. We sort of have two ends of the spectrum. Mike loves the Herschel stuff, the sort of like super high-tech, modern options, a pouch for everything. Your pouches are nesting, so you take your little bag, you put it in your medium bag, goes in your big bag, and you strap it onto your rolly bag. Then we have the other end of the spectrum, which is super low-tech, more heritage options, and for that we lean pretty heavily on Filson. Filson is definitely a pretty popular brand down here for us. The Mackinac wool is unbeatable. Their Henleys are unreal. Their flannels, but their luggage line really punches above its weight. So the bread and butter of it for us is the sort of medium briefcase laptop bag. We get a lot of guys who are looking to sort of pivot from their leather briefcase for a lot of reasons. Either they're dealing with a strap that's just stretched beyond repair, or they just want something that's a little more waterproof. Filson's tin cloth is truly bulletproof in that regard, so it's just an easy option. You've got bridle leather, so harness quality. It's gonna last about as long as the leather can, and then the tin cloth itself is so saturated with oils and waxes that it is truly waterproof for about as long as you can expect. And the second it's not, you just re-wax it yourself, super easy. I'm wearing the tin cloth jacket just to show you sort of how it starts to patina. So almost like denim, instead of fading, it sort of gains a patina. So you'll get that cool sort of marbling, creasing. It wears stains really well, and it takes scratches and keeps going. So that's just a super solid option for sort of an everyday shoulder bag situation. If you don't need the waterproofing, their original briefcase is another super strong option. So it's got the same bulletproof leather and then a super heavy like sailcloth quality canvas. So it's about twice the ounceage of the tin cloth. It's just not oiled. So that's, again, a super rock solid option. And if you don't need a day bag, if you're looking for something in the middle, Filson's backpack is unreal. So same tin cloth as this guy. This is the navy blue option. Comes in all three colors. There's a forest green, which is just killer. Sold out right now. So sorry, you missed the boat on that one. It'll be back. The backpack is super simple. So one fat pocket at the front, one slightly less fat pocket at the front. It fits. You could run this as a day bag. It's maybe a little bit bulky. You're getting your laptop in there for sure. And then any other junk you have to carry. You could fit a pair of boots in here. Like, it's deceptively large. Laptop sleeve on the inside, secondary pocket, simple. And then luggage, if you need a weekend bag or like a week bag, they're medium duffel. The large one is a little too large for most folks. The small one, just get the backpack. The medium is awesome. It is still carry-on size. You can cram this into an overhead container, no problem. Again, we're talking heritage. It's super easy. You have one pocket on the front, one pocket on the back, and on the inside, you're looking at one fat pocket, and that's pretty much it. So it's simple, it's robust, it holds a ton. It's everything proof. You can throw it in the back of the truck, no problem. It will not rip. It's the same tin cloth that we know and love. It's awesome. So if you're not needing what Mike needs, where every single cord has its own little container, and you're after something a little more, just dump it in the bag, that is Filson. Come on down. We are constantly running out of stock of these guys, but we always bring them back in. So if you're looking for something specific, let us know. If we don't have it, we'll get it for you. Come on down. Say hi. See ya.